we're gonna be installing air horns. Nice! Let's get to it. All right, folks, getting ready to install the air horn. The air horn, right? All right, we're gonna get started. The air horn, we're gonna install it. So what I did already, I made a harness for the air horn because I wanted this to be in the switch box that I installed on the truck. That's already done. I pre-made the holes in the bumper right here, the bumper frame. 2 holes here, 1 hole here. We're gonna install the air horn here and the air compressor right here. So it comes with brackets already. We'll post the. I think I bought it in eBay. We'll post that on the page where I bought it from. But this is the air horn that I installed. We'll test it later on so you guys can hear it. This is the bracket that comes with it. These are the holes I made. Bracket, line to the holes, air horn. This is exactly how it's going to stay inside the bumper. And the air compressor, small air compressor for the air horn, is going to be right here in a hole that was already there. Just made it bigger, put it there, attach it to the air horn, do the wiring, and get it done. All right, so let's go ahead and do this. Let's just put the bracket. All right, so this is the bracket right here. I'm going to use some thread lock, and the reason why is there's a lot of vibration every time you use the air horn, so they don't come loose. I recommend you do. So I'm just going to put a little bit on the bolt. Get it up. All right, so that's good enough. Do the other as well. Put some Loctite so the vibration don't get them loose. Washer and bolt, washer and bolt. There you go, a washer and bolt. Put the washer first, then the bolt. Okay, it's on, same actually. It's much easier to do this while the bumper is off, but you don't have to take it off if you don't want to. I mean, it's more difficult and uncomfortable to do it with the bumper on, but you could. I decided to take the bumper out. It's much easier to work and get it done with the bumper off. All right, so let me tighten that up. Okay, the bracket for the air horn is on. Now let's do the air compressor. Where did I put the air compressor? Okay, it's a different bolt. And what did I do with the bolt? Yeah, it goes. All right, let me put some thread lock as well. Specifically this one, since this is the one that vibrates the most. Stick the big bolt in here, and if you have a Ram 1500 and you take the bumper out, you will see that hole in there. You just need to make it bigger though, because the bolt will not fit. You just need to make that bolt just a bit bigger. This is not going anywhere now. Look at that. Nice and solid. Let's then install the air horn, folks. You can install it here or here. I think I'm going to do it here like that. Just like that. See that? Then you just install the airline. It looks OEM. Right? If someone looks at it, OEM, baby. All right, let's install this up. More Loctite. Just put Loctite on the bolt. Put it all over my hand. There we go. Yeah, suspended in air, right? Supposed to be like that because this vibrates when you turn it on. And if it touches the frame, you're going to hear a lot of noise. So make sure it doesn't touch the frame. It needs to be suspended. All right. All right. This is nice and tight. See that? It's not touching the frame. Nice! Ta-ding! All right, so now just plug in the hose from the air compressor for the horn. Make sure it's all the way in so it doesn't come off or come out on you, because if it does, you need to get it under the car and put it on. There you goes, folks. The air horn is installed. The harness is done. Now I need to fish the harness through the front of the car so it comes down to the bumper, and we're set. All right, let's put the bumper on. All right, folks, now that we have the wire in, the only thing we have to do now, the final thing to do, this is for the horn, is to install it on the switch panel, try it, and you're good to go. All right, folks, this concludes the episode of the air horn. Right here. It's a great option to have only when you need it, though. Don't scare people with it. This is it. I hope you like it. Please join and like it. Till next episode.